welcome to Pocket Women, Lockpicking and Locksport. This is part 2 of the Federal. Let's get into it. Loto Lock Tuesday, hashtag to find all the videos in the series. Anyone can join in the series, just whack the hashtag on and she'll be right. Now, we have split the Federal open. Let's do the reveal together. Okay, one of my bowls did come out. So, let's pop our bowl back in. Pop everything back into position. That's our lock. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So, let's get a little bit closer. Let's see what we've got. We've got a plastic actuator at the top. We've got two, looks like copper or bronzy balls. And there's a pin to retain the shackle as it comes out. So as the shackle is released, when the lock is opened, that will come up like that, and because the balls go in and retract, and then that will go into that groove. Surprised this is all plastic just there, but this is the plastic shackle one for electric spark protection stuff, so I guess that's okay. So there's our cylinder. Right, let's pop this away. Let's gut it. Okay, what do we need? Tools I don't have here. Back in a minute. Thanks for waiting. So you bring everything and then you find the one thing that is not there because you didn't think you'd need it. Okay, so we need one of these spreader out of thingies. Now, so the spreader out, how do we even get into it? Okay. Not sure. I don't know that the goat will help. Nope. Huh. Alright, let's try some other tools. Yeah, that did something. That made it bigger. Oh, come on. It's the curse of the C-clip. Okay, that just popped and popped back, so progress. Come on. Okay, we've got a fighter here. That's all right, because you know, persistence, patience. We're Locksporters. We will not be defeated by a C-clip. So I'm going to whack that in there, stop you from moving. So you just stay there, mate. And let's just stay. Come on, don't fight me. Get off. Let it go. You know you want to. Go on and fling across the room. Okay. Hooking on. Put on that there. Hey, and it didn't get destroyed. That's gnarly. Okay, we have the key advantage. Whack it in. Give it a slight turn. Shim it. Always shim it. You never know when you're going to get a skeletonized core. Or things that get stuck, so just be safe and shim it. And already I'm stuck. How far in does it go? Down to there. Okay, so it is stuck already. Why is it stuck? There it goes. Oh, on phone's good. Okay, so just a little turn to there, not to 90. Follow up. Have a model kit on the go. Lock you in like that. Which way are the pins going to come out on me? Up the top, this is good. Ooh, pretty colours. We've got a rainbow. We've got drill protection. The first pin looks like steel pin for drill protection as well. 6 nice colours. Very, very nice. Oh my. We got some good looking pins in there. Oh, it's music. Music, music. Pin tray, we'll take this top of that one. Woohoo! Wow, okay, let's see, do we have countermilling? We do. Keyless was right. Countermilling overset traps in every chamber. How deep are they? Deep enough to cause issue. Definitely feel them. Oversetting everything. Yep. So that's our plug. These are our key pins. All serrated. Very, very nice serrated pins. Look at those. And one little standard at the end. Number 5 looks like it's big serrated. Lovely, lovely. You can see by that first pin how much I've been picking on it. With my picking marks. So let's just orientate these and we'll whack the drivers out and have a bo peep of those. Right, we're going in. Okay, so we know that the front is where that lip is. There's not one at the back. Stay still. That's our steely, our jaw protection. Very nice, solid little nuggety thing. Ooh, you're a nice spool. Look how deep that one is. Very nice. No serrations. Ching. Okay, you're like a barrel spool, like an assa spool. Oh my, you're designed to get stuck in that counter milling. That's in 3. So one's got standard, 2's got the spool, 3's got the barrel, nice little spool, and 4. Let's go back the other way. Taking out 6 now. Here's another spool. And 5. Here we are. That's another spool. Wow. Okay, let's have a both with the springs. Nice little coppery, bronzy ones. Ooh, there's one different spring there. Oh, I shouldn't have dumped them. I would assume that goes in with 1. Maybe it goes on with that bump one. Oh, I should have taken the springs out singly. Now I don't know where that spring was. Ah, rookie mistake. Oh no, sorry folks. I'm thinking that spring would go there with that anti-bump pin. That's what I'm thinking. That barrel thing is an anti-bump pin, because you wouldn't have a steel spring for jaw protection. I mean, a drill would just take out a spring, regardless of whether it was a steely or not. So I'm thinking it belonged there, but don't quote me. Okay, let's take a better look at these. Aren't they beautifully made? So well made. Very, very nice. Wow. So you've got serrated keypins, serrated, well, not a serrated, it's more like a barrel anti-bump. You've got nice spools and a drill protection at the front. What a lock. What a lot of fun. Thanks for joining me in today's Loto Lock Tuesday day of picking and playing with tag out locks with the Federal. Check out the co-host, sadistic picker, awesome picker, mad about Loto locks just like the rest of us. Link in the description below. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.